Okay, watch this. Frying pan, shrimp, and a bottle of Chardonnay. And see how this flies. This ought to be good. Nice. Shrimp down. Carlo and Rossi, Chardonnay. Then we'll let that simmer up. If it doesn't catch on fire, I'll let you know how it goes. And what I'm going to do is, here it is. Cocktail sauce, Heinz, and you got to use the ShopRite. Well, let's hide my medication. We got to use the ShopRite horseradish, because that's the kickinest. And you mix it together with the proper consistency to the heat like you like it. Pan back over to this. I'm thinking this thing's gonna catch on fire real soon. Check that flame. Yeah, it's kicking. Alright, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lower the flame before it blows up in my face. Turn the handle so the kid doesn't walk into it. Not that I have any. Yeah, the wrong knob, John. It's almost like I've been started drinking again. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that simmer. I don't know how to do the part 2 of the videos. As you can see, nice shrimp. Chardonnay, Ello Cheapo. Leftover shrimp that I'll make for some other day. And once again, these two are a couple. Alright then. And a candlelight dinner if a lady wants to join. Pasta lasagna, shrimp arrivederci. Goodbye.